What if I told you it takes a full team to make AI work? Not just one genius behind a screen, but people with all kinds of jobs. So, if you want to work with AI, the big question is, which role is right for you? Let's break it down. AI Captain, Implementation Lead. You're the captain of the ship. You make sure everything runs smoothly. You guide the team, fix problems, and follow a SMART method called the Aii Methodology. So if you're good at organizing and leading people, this role might be for you. Data Scientist. You dive into data to find cool secrets and patterns. Then you build smart models that help solve real problems, but you need math and creativity to do it well. If you love to explore and test new ideas, this is your path. Project Manager or Scrum Master. You're like the glue. You make sure everyone works together, deadlines are met, and no one is confused. So if you're great at talking to people and love making plans, this is your zone. Data Engineer. Imagine if AI was a car. Well, the data engineer is the one who fills it with clean fuel, aka data. So they clean, move, and organize all the info AI needs to learn. If you love working behind the scenes and solving messy problems, this job is key. AI Architect. This person builds the AI house. They make sure the design is strong, safe, and fits the business. But they also need to know a lot, like cloud stuff and security stuff. If you like puzzles and planning, this could be your thing. Machine Learning Engineer. You teach the AI how to think. You build the brain and help it make smart guesses, but that means writing code and knowing math. If you like tech, logic, and science, this is where you shine. Business Analyst. Let's say the business wants something done with AI. The analyst figures out what that is and tells the team. You ask, what problem are we solving? And make sure the AI helps. If you like talking and thinking at the same time, this is for you. DevOps Engineer. You make sure the AI system runs like a well-oiled machine. You don't build it, you keep it alive and healthy. So if you like fixing bugs and automating things, DevOps might be your thing. Ethics Manager. AI has power, and power needs rules. This role makes sure AI is fair, safe, and respects people's privacy. If you care about right and wrong and want to shape the future, this job really matters. So, which role fits you best? There's no one-size-fits-all job in AI. Some roles are technical, some are people-focused, but they all matter. If you want to explore this more, check out the Aii Methodology. It shows you how the whole AI process works from start to finish. And if you need help with integrating AI in your organization, we are here to help.